Hi everybody, my name is Brenna, BZ Malin down here at Colton RV and Marine. I'm really excited to tell you about some of our August specials coming up. One of them is this motorhome right behind me. It's a 2023 Four Winds 25M. We've got special pricing on this. We've got it down, discounted by $35,000. The sale price on here you can see is only $109,998, and it's got a rate special. On this motorhome, you can be eligible for a rate of only 5.99, some of the lowest rates in the industry right now. We have this and many other motorhomes that are eligible for that rate. So come on down, check it out. We're gonna check this one out. We're gonna do a full walk around. Then we're even gonna take it for a spin and see how it handles on the road. Very first thing I wanna point out, this does have the optional upgraded chassis. Most of these come on an E350 chassis. We upgraded it when we ordered this to the E450. Super strong engine, 7.3 liters V8. This is gonna be able to handle all of those mountain trips, camping, no problem. It also has an 8,000-pound hitch. You're gonna be able to tow any car on this. We have 40 feet of cubic storage on the exterior of this. You'll notice the really pretty decals it has on this. This is the autumn red exterior package, another optional upgrade. We have a large awning, covers the door and the whole length of the coach. You're gonna have a huge area here that you can set up your patio. It also comes with rear electric stabilizer jacks. Really nice feature. Not all Class Cs come with those stabilizer jacks. It's gonna keep you real steady in there. It does come with the roof ladder, fully walkable roof. Backup camera, as you can see there. There's that 8,000-pound hitch I talked about a moment ago. This one also comes with slide toppers, so you're gonna be able to protect your slide from any kind of damage. Gives a little bit of extra water protection as well. Like I said, you have plenty of storage on this. There's some underneath, there's some here. This is also gonna come with a 100-watt solar charging with a power control. It also has heated holding tanks, so you don't have to worry about camping in cold weather. Your coach is gonna be safe. All right, we're gonna check out the inside. Let's go. All right, this motorhome is coming with the weathered cherry interior, really pretty wood. You can see it has really nice LED accents. Here you've got a countertop extension, nice big deep stainless steel sink. Now this coach does have a full 7 feet in interior height. The total height is 11.2. We also have the length of this coach is at 25 2 inches. And we also have the width at 8 feet 2 inches. So you got plenty of space in here, as you can see, to move around. If you're over here cooking, you're not gonna block space for people to walk by. You do sleep about 4 to 6 people in this coach. Not only do you have this Murphy bed over here, I'm gonna show you how to use that in a second. We also have this dinette that turns into a bed. And then the huge overhead bunk. All right. Let's take a look at the Murphy bed. So this is a really nice feature of this coach, because if you don't want your bed out there all day long, you want to be able to camp without your bed being made for company and things like that. It gives you another seating area, kind of puts your bed away. So it's super simple. You take the pillows off, and then you'll see that there's a latch on this side that you just pull down. Bring the bed down. It's got the wood slats, which gives you kind of a stronger support for your bed, and the mattress, and you're ready to go. You'll notice they also have overhead storage in these cabinets up here that go, they're full length of the coach. And you also have nightstand right here where you can charge your devices. Over here you have a 12-volt outlet along with your USB ports and regular outlets. Let's put this Murphy bed away. Now, this comes standard with a propane electric fridge. Got plenty of space here. This has got a really nice pantry in it with the slide outs. They really did a good job of utilizing space in this coach. If you come back this way, this is an upgrade. It does come with this 32-inch Insignia TV. You've got a nice little counter here, wardrobe space. Another really cool feature is if you have some valuables you want to hide, this TV is more than just a TV. It's got hidden storage right behind it. And they put the wardrobe right here that you can use for a wardrobe or for extra storage. You got your collapsible ladder right there. 3 drawers that fully extend. Huge medicine cabinet in the bathroom. And of course, storage under the sink. Now I'm going to let you take a look at the shower. Has a skylight, give you a little bit of extra headroom, plenty of space, 26 by 32 full-size shower. And I like how they curved the shower curtain so you get a little more elbow room while you're taking your shower. All right, come on this way. I'm going to show you a couple things up here. So we do have 3 cooktops on the stove. It is a propane stove. You'll notice it has the little LED light feature. And if you accidentally bump it, it's going to turn red. So if you're traveling with kids or pets, you're going to know before they get dizzy. We've got space in here for your oven, cooking all your yummy treats. A drawer down at the bottom for your pots and pans. It has a sponge drawer at the top. Keep your sponges off the stove. And 3 drawers. You also have a garbage can, which is always nice that they make sure you have a place to throw away your trash. Here's your cabinets up here. And you have another storage above the microwave. All right, this bunk over here has a capacity of 800 pounds. So you could easily fit 2 adults up here, few kids, and if you do travel with kids, they do have this safety net so that when they're sleeping, you know, it's going to keep them safe from rolling off the top of there. You do have 2 cup holders over there. You have charging ports, and this TV is on an arm. It can swing out, so if you're sitting in the living area, you can enjoy your TV as well. All right, now this coach does have the upgraded leatherette captain's chair. So you'll see on both the driver and passenger side has real soft, you know, comfortable seats to drive in while you're going cross country. Let's take it for a spin now. All right, before we get started, I want to show you the monitor that comes in this coach. It does have a 7-inch monitor. You can see here that it has satellite radio, Android CarPlay. We have Apple CarPlay. You have a backup camera. You can hook your Bluetooth up here. Everything is controlled right. Here's our backup. Whoops. Our backup camera, so you can actually watch. If you're towing your vehicle, you can watch while you're driving to make sure your vehicle is okay back there. It also will automatically come on when you throw the coach into reverse. All right, now I've closed the slide. We've got everything secured. Always make sure your cabinets, shower, everything is secured before you take off. Now that we're ready, got our seatbelts on, let's go. Now you're going to feel the power in this coach right away. It does not feel like I'm carrying an entire house on wheels when I'm driving this. If you've ever driven a pickup truck, it really kind of feels the same. Nice smooth ride, comfortable. Like I said, these seats are amazing. They're better than my car. One thing I wanted to tell you about the Four Winds is how they build it. They make it on an aluminum welded cage for the sidewalls and the roof, and then they use vacuum bonded structure for the roof, the sidewalls, the floor with black foam insulation. It's going to keep you nice and warm through the colder nights and really give you a solid foundation while you're on the road. Notice you don't hear a lot of clattering or clicking in the back. Four Winds did a really good job of making sure their coach is secure, so you're not going to hear all that background noise while you're traveling down the road. I'm already cooled off. We just started it up. You really don't need to run the air conditioning in the coach, on the chassis. while you're driving. The cab is enough what you're getting from the actual car components. Like I said, this is on an E450, so you feel the power. You barely have to press on the gas and you're up and going. Yeah, beautiful coach. You're gonna love riding down the street in this. We're gonna pull in this fire station parking lot so we can check out some of the turn radius. Super easy to turn. Like I said, and you got really good vision on your mirrors. You've got your blind spot, a mirror at the bottom so that you really can see everything. I could do a U-turn easy, just like I would in a normal pickup truck. It really doesn't take any kind of specialized driving to operate one of these. And it's only 25 feet. So real easy to operate, and you got good vision. You can see the road really well, everything around you. You're really gonna enjoy traveling in this. This does come with a generator. It's gonna run off the regular unleaded gas, the same as your engine. And it's just one tank. You don't have to fill up two places. It'll run off that, and it does have a safety mechanism so that if it gets down to a quarter tank, your generator will automatically shut off if it's running. And if it's not running, it won't start up. That's just to make sure that if you're out there boondocking or something, you know, sleeping and your generator starts to burn up some of the gas, they want to make sure you're going to be able to get to a gas station in the morning. So it's a really nice feature on these Class Cs. You could really go anywhere with this motorhome. Parking is easy. I think I mentioned the exterior height is 11 feet and 2 inches. So that's going to give you clearance under most overpasses and things like that. It's not ridiculously large. Now you can see I'm going uphill, going 50 miles an hour. Handles beautifully just like a car. Again, you forget you've got a whole house with you while you're driving this. It's amazing. Now again, this is a brand new coach. You're gonna get all the factory warranties with this. You know, not only that, but you're gonna get the Colton advantage. Colton does a lot of things for their customers. We treat you like family. We're gonna give you lifetime membership to the Priority RV network. What that is nice for is if you're ever traveling and you're more than 100 miles away from home and you need service, you're gonna have a dealer that you can go to. We work with over 200 dealers nationwide so that no matter where you are in the country, there's gonna be a dealer nearby that'll treat you just like you're one of their customers. We also give you a year of premium roadside assistance. It's called Safe Ride RV. Not only is it gonna give you unlimited towing for your RV and your vehicle if you're bringing a vehicle along, you also have access to call a 24/7 technician. It's my favorite feature of the Safe Ride RV, so that if you are in the middle of the night, your heat goes out, or you can't get a slide in, you have someone that you can call that'll troubleshoot with you. They'll try to get it fixed over the phone. They also have the ability of finding a mobile tech that would be available wherever you are in the country. So, you know, not only that, Colton has the second largest service centers on the East Coast. We have 3 different locations here in Western New York. I work out of the North Tonawanda store on Niagara Falls Boulevard, but we also have our Orchard Park location and a huge service center on Lake Avenue in Blasdell. We would love for you to come see what we have to offer you. Come and see some of our August specials and get on while our rate special is going on for only $5.99. Come on down, ask for BZ.